Combine like terms. Tuberculosis. Epidemiologists are studying TB in the Middle Atlantic region of the United States. New Jersey reported 294 active cases in 2015, 278 in 2016. New York reported 750 active cases in 2015 and 806 cases in 2016. Pennsylvania reported 173 active cases in 2015 and 198 in 2016. What are the total active cases of TB in 2015 and total active cases of TB in 2016 in the Middle Atlantic region? So to solve this, let's highlight all the active cases in 2015 in the highlighter of yellow. So we have 294, and then we have 758, 173. Then let's highlight how many we have in 2016 with green. So we have 278, 806, and 198. So now let's go ahead and write this out. So for 2015, let's actually add. So we have 294 plus 758 plus 173. So 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Put the 5 below, carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 5, 15, plus 7, 22. So put the 2 below, carry the 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 7 is 11, plus 1 is 12. So we have 1,225 active cases in 2015. Now 2016, we have 278, 806, 198. So let's add. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 8 is 22. Put the 2 below, and we carry the other 2. 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 0. 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 below, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 8 is 11, plus 1 is 12. So we have this many cases of 1,282 in 2016. So we were able to solve this because we were able to add all the cases in 2015 and all the cases in 2016 together. Therefore, to summarize, we were able to do this because only like terms can be combined when they exactly match. So let's look at another example, but this time we're only going to use letters or variables. We have to combine those like terms. So let us look to see that we have x squared, which is different than just a normal x. And so, therefore, let's highlight all the terms with x squared in yellow. And everything in green, that's just x. So now we can go and write this out. So we're going to go 7x squared minus 6x squared plus 3x squared plus 1x minus 6x. So now we've just rearranged it in the order of the terms where they are like each other at the beginning, and then the ones at the end are like each other. So we're going to add these together, as this is a like term, and we're going to add these two together because these are a like term. So 7x squared minus 6x squared is 1x squared, plus the 3x squared to get 4x squared. So all we do is we add or subtract the terms in front of the variable or the letter. Now we have this last two to do. to combine. So we have 1x minus 6x, which is minus 5x. So this is our answer. We can no longer add or subtract because we are combined all the like terms. Let's look at another example, but this kind of like our scenario at the beginning. So epidemiologists are determining how many cases of latent active TB exist in the West, South, Central United States. They're using the letter A to represent active and the letter X to represent latent. So Texas reported 1,127A and 500X cases. Oklahoma reported 54A and 35X TB cases. Louisiana reported 141A and 177X TB cases. And Arkansas reported 85A and 140X TB cases. How many latent and active TB cases are in the West, South, Central of the United States? So, like before, let's combine all our like terms. So to highlight, let's highlight all the active cases. So 1,127A, 54A, 141A, and 85A. Then for our latent cases, we'll highlight in green. 500X, 35X, 177X, and 140X. So now we can go and we can start actually adding. So we have 1,127, 54, 141, plus 85. So let's add, and this is all our A terms, so active. Then we have our latent. So 7 plus 4 is 11, plus this 1, 12, plus 5, which then is equal to 17. So we put the 7 below, we carry the 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus another 8 is 20. So we put the 0 below and we carry the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1, which is 4. And then we just bring down the 1, because there's just a 1 in the thousands. So we have 1,407A, which is active cases, plus whatever else we have for latent cases. So we have 500X plus 35X plus 177 plus 140X. So let's add those together. 0 plus 5 is 5, plus 7, which is 12, plus 0, still 12. So put the 2 below, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 3 is 4, plus 7 is 11, plus the 4 is 15. Put the 5 below, and we carry the 1. So we have 1 plus 5, which is 6, plus 1, 7, plus another 1, which is 8. So we have 852X. So our answer is, we can show it like this to represent the cases of TB. So now we are done, because we cannot add the active and the latent cases together.